Imagine a world where you could easily invest in a diverse portfolio of global stocks and ETFs, all without paying any fees. A world where your investments grew steadily over time, thanks to the power of dollar-cost averaging. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, for a while, it wasn't. You've probably heard of Raiz. It was one of the most popular investment apps in Australia, offering a simple and affordable way to invest. But then, something happened. Raiz closed its doors. So, what went wrong? Before we dive into the reasons, let's quickly recap what Raiz was all about. Founded in 2016, Raiz aimed to make investing accessible to everyone. It offered a micro-investing platform where you could automatically invest small amounts of money from your bank account, rounding up your spare change to the nearest dollar. This approach made investing a no-brainer. You didn't have to think about it, it just happened in the background. Raiz also offered a diverse portfolio of global assets, including stocks, bonds, and ETFs. This helped to spread your risk and potentially boost your returns over the long term. So, why did such a promising company shut down? There are a few factors that likely contributed to Raiz's closure. Increased competition. The investment landscape has become increasingly competitive in recent years. New players have entered the market, offering similar or even better products and services. Regulatory challenges. The financial services industry is heavily regulated. Raiz may have faced challenges in complying with new regulations or navigating complex regulatory environments. Economic factors. The global economy has experienced significant fluctuations in recent years, which can impact the performance of investment platforms. Business model limitations. Raiz's business model, while innovative, may have had limitations. For example, it may have been difficult to generate sufficient revenue to sustain the business in the long term. It's important to note that these are just a few possible reasons for Raiz's closure. The exact circumstances may be more complex. The closure of Raiz is a reminder that even successful companies can face challenges. It's also a testament to the competitive nature of the investment industry. While Raiz may be gone, there are plenty of other investment options available. If you're interested in starting your investment journey, be sure to do your research and choose a platform that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.